Here's how I made the magneto helmet from X-Men First Class. I downloaded the files on Thingiverse, and I started the print. Once it was finished, I took it off the build plate. Then, I removed the supports. I covered the mask in painter's tape, and then I sprayed it with a silver spray paint. Once everything was finished, I took off the tape, and it was looking pretty good. I could make it a little more comfortable though, so I cut up some pieces from foam to stick it on the helmet. I cut an oval shape, and two rectangles. I glued the rectangles to the cheek of the mask and the oval shape at the top. And that's how I made my magneto helmet.